Hey everyone, Alex here from Vizard, and today I'm going to show you a ridiculously simple, almost addicting way to turn your long-form videos into scroll-stopping reels for Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Forget about spending hours behind a heavy editing rig or manually digging through endless footage, because once you master this flow, you'll be creating content faster than your morning coffee gets cold. Imagine you've just wrapped up a 45-minute live stream, a podcast recording, or an in-depth tutorial, and you need to slice that goldmine into high-performing short vertical clips. That is exactly where Vizard comes in, and I'm going to walk you through the entire journey. From the initial upload and AI clip generation to polishing designs, and finally, the automated scheduling process. Stick around until the end because I'm dropping some exclusive pro tips on captioning and length that will absolutely change how you approach scaling your content compared to clunky traditional software. First things first, head over to vizard.ai to create your project, and if you don't have an account yet, it literally takes 3 quick clicks to get signed up and ready to roll. Once you are inside the dashboard, go ahead and upload your long video, whether it's an MP4, MOV, or whatever file format you recorded on your phone or your high-end camera. This is where the magic happens. You simply hit the Generate Clips button, and Vizard's powerful AI starts analyzing your video for engagement signals like laughter, intense reactions, or major topic shifts. The first time you see the AI return a batch of perfectly framed, ready-to-post clips, it genuinely feels like pure sorcery. These aren't just random, choppy slices. The AI specifically identifies the most impactful moments that are statistically most likely to make someone stop scrolling and actually watch. You can quickly preview each clip in the browser, and I always recommend a fast skim through to remove any weird cuts or awkward pauses that might slip through. The interface is super intuitive, letting you easily trim your in and out points, or even stitch 2 different segments together if you want to create a slightly more substantial bite of content. Here's a pro tip. Try to keep your clips between 6 and 12 seconds for Reels or TikTok, because let's face it, digital attention spans are brutal these days. If you're working on a high-value how-to video or an emotional hook, you can stretch it to 15 or 20 seconds, but just be careful not to turn your short clip into a mini-movie. Now let's move on to customization. Remember, don't overthink it, because a crisp logo in the safe zone and a bold headline is really all you need to capture attention. Vizard offers simple drag-and-drop overlay tools to add text, stickers, and your own logo, while offering presets specifically sized for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. I usually like to place a semi-transparent band behind my text to make sure everything stays legible, even when the underlying video footage is a bit busy or high contrast. Always be mindful of your safe zones and keep your main visual elements away from the very edges of the frame, so the social media platform's own UI doesn't cover up your hard work. When it comes to sound design, Vizard automatically levels your audio so the voiceover stays crisp and clear, even when you have background music playing underneath. You can pull tracks directly from the built-in library or upload your own, and I highly recommend using the fade in and fade out options to make the transitions feel truly professional. If a clip happens to have messy audio, you can replace the original sound entirely with a high-quality voiceover using Vizard's text-to-speech tools or your own recorded narration. Next, let's talk about adding subtle motion. And the good news is, you don't need any complicated keyframing skills, because the app has built-in animations for text and stickers. Use these animations sparingly, like a gentle slide-in for your headline or a tiny pop on your logo, because overdoing it with bells and whistles can make your content look like a beginner's project. If you're starting with a wide horizontal shot, Vizard's Smart Crop feature automatically adapts it to vertical and lets you manually nudge the framing to focus perfectly on the action. Compare this to the old-school workflow of manual scrubbing in heavy software like Premiere, where exporting and reformatting for every platform would take you hours of repetitive grunt work. The real point here is that most creators waste massive amounts of time on the boring technical stuff, whereas Vizard automates the grunt work so you can actually focus on your content strategy. Now, let's discuss the auto-schedule feature, which is the absolute game changer for anyone who is serious about maintaining a consistent posting schedule without the late-night stress. You can pick your desired posting frequency, such as 3 clips per week, and set the exact times you want your content to drop across your different social channels. Vizard will automatically queue up your generated clips and post them based on your settings, meaning you could essentially upload a session on Monday and have your entire week finished by lunch. The content calendar view gives you total control, allowing you to drag and drop clips to rearrange your feed so you can see exactly how your grid will look to your followers. For teams, the calendar is invaluable because it lets you comment on and approve drafts directly in the app, so you never have to deal with downloading files and sending them back and forth. One workflow tip I swear by is to add a quick time-coded note when you first upload your project, describing major topics like intro hook or product demo to help the AI cluster everything correctly. I also suggest using the caption templates for A/B testing, where you might try one version with a question as a call to action, and another with emojis and a direct offer. Let's keep it real about limitations because no tool is perfect, and Vizard isn't trying to replace advanced cinematic editing software if you are doing heavy multicam work or complex visual effects. Vizard prioritizes speed and social engagement signals, so while it is perfect for 99% of social content, you might still want a manual touch if you are striving for absolute editorial perfection. Other services might offer cheaper exports, but they often lack the integrated scheduling or the calendar management, meaning you end up spending more time and money trying to patch tools together. When you are ready to go live, hit the Export button, select your platform preset, and the app will automatically handle the resolution and formatting for you every single time. For your captions, I highly recommend keeping the first line as a strong, punchy hook, followed by a short explanation and one single clear call to action. Make sure your hashtags are a mix of both ultra-specific and broad topics, which helps the algorithm understand exactly who should be seeing your content. Before I sign off, here's one more creative tip. Use a consistent opening frame with your logo for brand recognition, so people instantly know they are watching your content. Also, don't be afraid to repost similar clips with different captions and thumbnails, because different audiences on different platforms will react to different creative cues. So that is the entire Vizard workflow. You upload, let the AI surface the best viral bits, add your branding, set up your schedule, and manage it all from one central hub. I can even show you a behind-the-scenes video where I turn an actual hour-long live stream into 12 clips in real time if you want to see the whole process live. Leave me a comment below telling me what type of long-form content you are currently trying to repurpose, whether it's podcasts, tutorials, or Q&As, and I will make more videos tailored to that. That's it for today. Keep it quick, keep it useful, and keep making content instead of just busy work. So peace out, and I will see you in the next one.